What role does machine learning play in your solutions for, obviously, the railway sector?
So we do have machine learning, but I think the thing which I love most on the application where I'm working is that we basically have everything, right? So, we have sensing data. So we start with signal processing, so classical kind of engineering from filtering, time frequency domain analysis. We have amazing statisticians in the team where we use methods for, change point, trend detections. We use Bayesian hierarchical models, mixture models to correct the variables we are producing. We have machine learning for classification. We have AI, neural networks for image processing, where we transform some of our signal to image-like data. But I think the thing which I'm most excited about is, because also I was fighting for it, and it's kind of unusual, I would say, in the data science work, is that we also combine classical engineering simulation models. So models like finite element models, multi-body simulations, which have been used in engineering for several decades already, to basically simulate the real structures like bridges. So in our case, it's the track or the switch. So there is enormous knowledge of the engineering where you model the materials and the connections and everything. And so one thing is you can use it for experiments. So you don't have to go to lab all the time or something in the research phase, and you can understand the system and play with the parameters and understand what happens. But now what is exciting is we also managed to reduce the model. So normally a model like this runs hours or even days, right? And if you want to use it in the online system like we have, you have to significantly reduce the size. But this then gives us the possibility to really learn from the signal that we have a lot of information about the actual switch, like how is the wheel passing, what are the forces that the train is putting on the rail, and really super exciting things. So this is really something interesting. And then, we also experiment with the hot topic, which are the large language models like recently, right? So we don't have a lot of text data, but we were, for example, experimenting to use them in interpreting the data, the outputs that we see in understandable way for our users.